why didn't you call? So many years has gone by.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a cozy fall clean with me. Today is going to be packed with some deep cleaning motivation. We're going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. I have not wiped down my cabinets, appliances, or anything of that sort in such a long time. Fall decorating has kind of taken the reign over my life and my channel for the past month and a half. So now we're getting back to the swing of things. I kind of just been cleaning the countertops and things to get me by day to day and to keep it so I'm not stressed, but also in the back of my head I know that there's oily fingerprints all over my cabinets, both the top. As I'm cooking, I put my hands on them and it just gets really, really dirty. And on the bottom, I have a toddler. So if you have something to clean today, get up and clean with me. Put on your fall candles, whatever you need to do to make it cozy, and let's clean together.
Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air.
After I deep clean my sink, I've been getting into the habit of putting essential oils down my drain just because sometimes it could get a little stinky. So I like doing this to make the house smell good and make the kitchen smell good. And I'm using this pumpkin pie one that I got from Amazon. It smells so good and just sets the fall vibes. But before we go any further, I did want to thank Tailored Canvases for sponsoring today's video. Tailored Canvases is a site that makes customizable canvases for families, and they are just so beautiful. They're more of a farmhouse style, so if you have that type of style, these would be great. They sent me 2 for Christmas because you guys know I'm preparing for Christmas decorating. I know it's August, you guys, I'm a YouTuber. So anyways, I customized it with the Williams family. You can put whatever you want on these canvases and the quality is just so amazing. They have all the holidays on their website, but I'll just show you some of the Christmas ones here. Guys, when I received these canvases, they came so well packaged, and the whole experience was just so incredible. So thank you to Tailored Canvases for sponsoring this video, and I'll leave a discount code down in my description for you guys. They're offering you 15% off your order if you use my code in the description. So if you're interested in that, definitely check that out.
And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So now that I wiped all of the countertops down, I'm cleaning the stovetop. I'm going to be cleaning my appliances and the cabinets as I mentioned before. But you guys, I don't know if you noticed that my voice is a little nasally. I'm sick again. I feel like I've been telling you guys I'm sick every single month since summer began, and we've literally been sick like every month. June, July, August, and now September. Well, this video is being released in October, but I'm recording the voiceover in September, so Yeah, I've been taking my daughter to like these new play cafes places that are super cool. It's like basically a break for the mom. They have an area for the mom to watch the kids in the play area while you can order coffee and frappes or whatever the case is. So I've been taking her to those places and doing play dates with some of my friends over here in New York. And every single time I take her to one of those places, we get sick. So, if you guys have any suggestions on anything that I can do to prevent us getting sick, I know I could build my immunity, but for her, she's a toddler. She's almost 2 in December. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. But there's not really like vitamins that she can take. Or is there? Let me know down below in the comments because I'm seriously tired of stuffy nose and sore throat and my humidifier. I'm just like, after we get sick, I'm putting away all the medicine and the humidifiers and cleaning, and then like a couple weeks later, I have to take them back out, and I'm so over it. So definitely let me know any tips you have down below because I'm new to the whole getting sick whenever children start school or daycare or even go to these type of play places.
I wanna stay wide open.
So this fall season, I made it a point to kind of enjoy the season that I'm in because I tend to always rush to Christmas and not really enjoy fall. And I found myself doing that this season. So, like last week, I put out the fall cozy morning routine because I'm just really getting used to enjoying fall, not rushing to Christmas and just enjoying the season that we're in. So by doing that, I'm just doing a lot of fall baking, a lot of festive stuff. So I'm making this Trader Joe's pumpkin muffin mix. And when it comes to box mixes, you can always make it a little more homemade by instead of adding water, adding milk, and then I'm also adding actual pumpkin puree to this mix so that it tastes a little more, not boxed. And it really did make the pumpkin muffins taste so much better. And I also added some mini chocolate chips, and they're already gone by the time that I'm recording this voiceover.
One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time, said our goodbyes.
So I put the muffins to bake, and then as they were baking, I went ahead and made a mop water to deep mop my floors, and I'm adding this pumpkin pie essential oils to my mop water as well. Again, I'm making a priority to enjoy this fall season, and to me, that's all things pumpkin and the smells of fall. So like I did in my last video, I made a simmer pot, and now while I'm baking pumpkin muffins, which already makes the house smell delicious, I now mop the floors with a little bit of essential oils added to my mop water, and the whole house smelled like pumpkin pie and pumpkin muffins. And those are the things that make fall so enjoyable. So if you're struggling like me to kind of enjoy the season that you're in and not rush to Christmas, definitely doing all these things help.
So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be.
After I was done cleaning, I wanted some me time, so I made a pumpkin spice iced coffee. with some maple whipped cream and pumpkin spice creamer that are both from Target. And I turned on all my fall lights and candles and watched some fall movies, Halloween Town to be specific. Side note, Hocus Pocus 2 just came out 5 days ago on Disney Plus, so if you're a 90s baby, make sure to check that out. I can't say how it was yet because I'm recording this voiceover before then, but I am so excited to watch it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you click that red subscribe button because I have so much decorating content coming your way and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And also click that notification bell if you are already subscribed so you don't miss when I post. I will see you guys in my next one, God willing, as always.